Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super fun and practical DIY project. A reversible tote bag. That's right, you get two bags in one, and it's perfect for beginners. Trust me, if you can sew a straight line, you can totally do this. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric. Choose fabrics you love, think different patterns, textures, or even contrasting colors. It's what makes the bag reversible. Then, you'll need some basic sewing supplies. Scissors, pins, a sewing machine or needle and thread if you're feeling extra crafty. Measuring tape, and thread that matches your fabric. Okay, let's get started. We'll begin by measuring and cutting our fabric. For the main bag, I'm going with a width of 14 inches and a height of 16 inches. But hey, feel free to adjust these dimensions to your liking. Remember, we need to cut 2 pieces of fabric for each size, one for each side of the bag. So, for my bag, I'll cut 2 pieces of fabric A and 2 pieces of fabric B, all measuring 14 by 16 inches. Keep the cutting neat, it'll make sewing easier. Now, let's sew the bag bodies. Take 2 fabric pieces 1A and 1B and place them right sides together. This means the pretty sides of the fabric are facing each other. Pin along 3 sides, leaving the top open. If you have a sewing machine, get it ready, and if you're hand sewing, thread your needle. Sew along the pinned edges, about ½ an inch from the edge. Once you're done, repeat this process for the other 2 fabric pieces. Now, you should have 2 separate bag bodies, each looking like a little pouch. Next up, we're going to create the top seam and the handles. For a clean finish, fold the top edge of each bag down by about ½ an inch. Then fold it down again, creating a nice little hem. Pin this in place and sew it down. Now, for the handles, you can use pre-made handles. Or you can cut long strips of fabric and sew them. If you're making your own, cut 2 strips of fabric, about 20 to 24 inches long and 3 to 4 inches wide. Fold the edges in towards the center, then fold the whole strip in half. Sew along the edge to create a sturdy handle. Attach the handles to the top of each bag by pinning them to the inside of the bag. Make sure they're even, and sew them securely. Now for the best part. Turn one bag inside out and place it inside the other bag, with right sides facing each other. Pin the top edges together all the way around, making sure the handles are safely tucked inside. Sew all around the top edge, leaving a small opening about 4 inches to turn the whole bag right side out. Once you've sewn around the top, turn the bag right side out through the opening. Then, sew the opening closed. Finally, give your bag a good press with an iron to make it nice and neat. And ta-da! You have a reversible tote bag. You can flip it inside out whenever you want to change the look. How cool is that? This project is so easy, and a fantastic way to personalize your accessories. Have fun with it, experiment with different fabrics and sizes, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.